How to find nearby a restaurant, Zomato. To find nearby a restaurant on Zomato, you need to open the app or website, allow it to access your location, and browse the home page, which will display a list of nearby restaurants. So when you have your Zomato app, make sure that your location is enabled alongside you're connected to internet service and that the app is updated to the latest version. To begin with, open the Zomato app, and once you open up Zomato, you could see the nearby restaurant. So as you could see, yeah, the kilometers as well, 5.9 kilometer and all that stuff. You just look for the kilometer, and this is basically gonna show you the nearby restaurants. You could also use the search bar to look for a specific type of cuisine or restaurant, or use the restaurant near me link in the Zomato website for direct access as well. You could also type in the name of the restaurant that's nearby, that you know of, and you could type in the name of the restaurant, and then you could find or locate it on Zomato and order it from there as well. So this is how you could find nearby restaurant on Zomato. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.